Hey guys, I'm David Monk, after school STEAM educator with Children's Museum Houston. This activity is brought to you by the Brown Foundation. Check it out. With summer just around the corner, it's time to catch those good vibes. One thing I hate is when I'm at the beach or the pool and I want to listen to my music, but it's not quite loud enough. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own speaker amplifier using a craft tube and a pair of scissors. So all you have to do is take your craft tube, you'll also need a smartphone, and cut a hole long and wide enough, make sure not to cut the edges, that the speaker side, which is the bottom side of your smartphone, will fit inside of the craft tube. So let's go ahead and give this a little test, and we'll see what it sounds like before and after I put it inside my DIY craft tube. So let's go ahead and put a little music on. Get the good vibes going. So that's before. And that's after. And that's your DIY speaker amplifier. Thank you guys for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.